Hello everyone, hello Ireland. We have now entered a more substantial lockdown and I am pleased to see it. You see, if you do not enter the game, you cannot win it. We have now entered this game and with strict adherence to the methods, we will win. To the Irish public, we must abide by the legislations put forth tonight by our leaders. No further than 2 kilometres from home, no unessential travel and full closure of all non-essential business. Now more than ever we must abide by this, and I pray for the health and safety of our country that we do. The fate of our lives and the lives of our loved ones depends on it. Together we must encourage home workouts and we must encourage healthy, immune-boosting nutrition plans. We have incredible experts on this island to aid us here, and I urge all to come forward and promote their ways. We need meal plans as well as the necessary vitamins we should be taking to boost our immune systems. We need small space exercise programs available to the public, and we need it for all levels of fitness. I suggest bodyweight work, the need for no equipment. There are amazing workouts to be had here. Plan your workout, put your music on, and give it your absolute all. While we remain distant and in isolation, we must still remain active. We must remain active and we must equip our immune systems to be operating at their absolute best. Correct nutrition and good physical activity is how we do it. The ceasing of public transport and closure of all non-essential business has now taken place, and that is just what we need. I applaud. However, I would like an understanding of our airports. Our airports must shut. The only flights to take place is to be for our essential medical equipment, or to bring our medical staff abroad back home to support. The airports must be shut for everything else. To those attempting to get home, please make wherever you are your home. You are doing your country an incredible deed by staying put. We will get past this. It is not forever, but it is for now. Tonight, our Defence Forces have been mentioned as a possibility in assisting our 15,000 Gardaí available, but only if necessary. However, it is necessary. I urge the government to utilise our Defence Forces alongside on Garda Síochána and for full 24-hour patrol. We cannot go by chance here. Any less than full adherence to these newly put forth methods by any members of our society will not only be a mockery to what we are attempting to do here, it will put the rest of our great nation in danger. We just cannot take that chance. I know our nation will comply, but please utilise all of our available assets to assist with this. This latest lockdown measure has been announced for 2 weeks. If we do this fully and correctly, in 2 weeks' time we will have a massive drop in cases. And in 2 weeks' time, we will likely need to endure more to gain the ultimate victory. I am now going to quote Yanir Baryan. Yanir is an MIT-trained physicist and complexity scientist who studies pandemics. He warned about global pandemics due to increasing travel for 15 years, and he recommended community-based monitoring of symptoms to stop Ebola in West Africa in 2014. And it worked. Quote, "The fastest and even the only way to contain COVID-19 in Ireland, America and around the world is a 5-week national lockdown. Lockdown would sharply reduce cases. During the first 2 weeks of a lockdown, infected individuals will either recover from mild cases of COVID-19 at home or seek medical attention for the 14% of cases that are severe. During the 3rd, 4th and 5th weeks, any newly infected family or cohabitants of infected individuals will recover or seek medical attention, and their isolation will prevent further spreading. By the end of the lockdown, the number of infections will be a small fraction of what they are now." This is from a skilled specialist with a winning record in stopping one of these viruses already. We have 2 weeks ahead now. I pray we adhere strictly to all these adjustments and make our way into the final 3-week phase, where after that we will be moving out again into our new world. To President Higgins, to all of our leaders, close our airports, utilise our Defence Forces. To the nation, abide by these measures impeccably and prepare for 5 weeks of it. After that, we are free. 5 weeks to freedom. We can do this. The countdown begins now. Godspeed to us all.